The HyperX Cloud 2 is a popular gaming headset, but many users experience recognition issues with Windows 10 and 11. These problems can be frustrating, but are usually fixable with the right troubleshooting steps. The most common issues include the USB device not being detected by Windows, audio working but microphone not recognized, intermittent connection drops during gaming, and the 7.1 surround sound features not functioning properly. These recognition issues typically stem from four main root causes: driver conflicts with outdated or corrupted audio drivers, USB power management settings that interfere with USB ports, outdated headset firmware, and hardware conflicts between multiple audio devices. To begin troubleshooting, first try connecting your headset to different USB ports. USB 2.0 ports often provide better stability than USB 3.0. Always use direct motherboard USB ports rather than front panel connections, as these provide more reliable power and data connections. Next, disable USB Selective Suspend in Windows Power Options. This prevents Windows from cutting power to USB ports to save energy. Navigate to Power Options, then Advanced Settings, expand USB Settings, and disable USB Selective Suspend for both battery and plugged-in modes. For more precise control, use Device Manager to modify USB root hub power settings. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click each USB root hub, select Properties, go to the Power Management tab and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Repeat this for all USB root hubs. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most basic HyperX Cloud 2 recognition problems. Try each solution in order, and test your headset after each step to see if the issue is resolved. When basic USB troubleshooting fails, the next step is updating your drivers and firmware. Start with Windows Update to get the latest generic USB audio drivers. For official driver support and firmware updates, download HyperX Ingenuity software. The latest version includes automatic detection and firmware update tools for your Cloud 2 headset. If automatic updates don't work, manually update your audio device drivers through Device Manager. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. If recent driver updates caused problems, you can roll back to previous versions. Also, try disabling Windows Sonic Spatial Audio, which can interfere with USB audio devices. For persistent issues, advanced users can try alternative audio routing software like Voicemeeter. This provides more control over audio devices but requires technical knowledge to configure properly. To prevent future issues, regularly update your Ingenuity software and maintain your drivers through Windows Update. This proactive approach will keep your Cloud 2 headset working smoothly.